Easter time.
Means fish time.
Fish and bun.
Trust me. Some carrot
And
juice.
cheese. Fish, crackers and festival. Easter.
Easter time.
Easter time.
Guys, enjoy this recipe. Like, share, comment.
Yeah, man.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. The recipe,
Enjoy.
guys.
Happy Easter as well.
Happy Easter. Don't
Take
eat
care.
too many eggs. Eat a lot of fish though.